Question number 4 is, the graph shown will be translated up 4 units. That means it has to go up 4 units. That means just this parabola is same, no change in shape, just up 4 points, right? So if it is here right now, 4 points up is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? So if these coordinates are 2 and -2, if we move up 4 points, that is known as vertical translation. So the coordinates are 2 and 2. That means the vertex of this parabola is moving up 4 points and the coordinates are changing from 2 and -2 to 2 and 2. So which of the following graph is showing the correct option? Let's see. It's 2 and 2. So that is the correct option. Let's see. Here it is not correct. This one is moving towards left. This one is moving towards right. So yes, A is the correct option.